In this tutorial, we will explain how to group objects in PowerPoint step by step, so that you can organize your slides more efficiently and create more complex diagrams and layouts with ease. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. It is important to ensure that your software is fully up and running so you can access all the necessary features without any interruptions. Once the program is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to work on. Whether you are editing an existing presentation or working on a new design, make sure your file is available on your computer so you can proceed without delays. After your presentation is open and visible on your screen, focus on preparing to select the objects that you want to group together. The next step involves using your keyboard to enhance your selection process. Locate the Control key, typically found on the lower left area of your keyboard, and press it. Holding down the Control key is key to selecting multiple items at once without losing your current selection. This technique is widely used in PowerPoint as well as other software programs to maintain precision when choosing several independent elements. With the Control key held, move your cursor and click on each object that you want to combine. Be sure to click directly on the elements such as shapes, text boxes, images, or any other items that you intend to group together. This allows you to make a cumulative selection of all desired elements on your slide. Precision is essential during this step to ensure that you do not accidentally skip an object or select an unwanted item. If you make an error during selection, simply release the Control key, click back on the mistaken object, and then continue your selection process. Once all of your chosen objects have been properly selected, move your focus to your mouse. Use your mouse to right-click on any of the selected objects. The right click will open a contextual menu that displays various options related to the objects on your slide. As you review the menu, look for an option labeled Group. This function is designed to bind the selected items into one single group, making it easier to move, resize, or format them collectively. After clicking the Group option, a secondary grouping command should appear in the menu. Click this additional group instruction to ensure the objects are fully combined. This action confirms that PowerPoint considers the individual objects as one single element moving forward. Grouping objects not only simplifies the layout process, but also allows for a more efficient management of your slide designs, as you can now move and edit the grouped objects without having to adjust each one individually. By following these detailed steps, you can transform your slide editing experience in PowerPoint. Keep practicing this technique to master the organization and design of your presentations, leading to more visually appealing and well-structured slides every time.